Okay, without wasting much of your time, in this video I will be showing you how you can install phones in your PixelLab. I'm going to show you how you can download it from a website and how you can install it in PixelLab directly. I'm going to make use of two websites so that you can see the differences. All right, so now let's say I'm going to make use of this. Sorry. Okay, cool. That's the website that I want to use. Okay, so these are phones. As you can see, these are phones that you can download by yourself. Now let's say you want to download a phones. Just click here. If you take note, let's say for instance you want to download this particular one, you just click here, see download here, just click on that download, it will be downloaded. All right, now for instance, maybe you have any phones in mind, you have a specific one you want to download. All you need to do, sorry, I make a mistake and click on download. Let me cancel this first. That's not what I want. Let's say for instance you have a phones in mind and you know the name, you want to download it. All you need to, let me zoom out my screen so that you can see it very well. All right, all you need to do is to just click on this inbox, click on this box, then tap the name of the phones. All right, tap the name of the phones. After you must have tapped it, then click on search. Look at search here, search it, the phones will pop up and you download it. Now these are the name of the phones. All these are phones. All right, okay, let me click one after the other. Let you see what I'm talking about. Let's just click this one. You see, these are the phones. All right, different type of phone. If you don't like this, you can choose another one. Let's come here. Okay, you can see it has changed, right? Okay, now let's say for instance I want to download this particular one. Let's say I want to download this particular one. All I need to do is to just click on download. All right, just to click on the download. Okay, then sorry, I think I make a mistake here. Okay, cool, it has downloaded. As you can see, all you need to do is to open it from here. Just click here, it will open, it will take you to your Zarchiver. Let's click open. Then on your Zarchiver, just click just once. Then haven't done that, what you will do next here is to click on this three dot icon here. Click on this three dots, then click on this multi select, click on it. Then haven't done that, then click on this good, click on this mark, then select all. Why am I showing you this? So that for in case if the phones has more than one file, so you can just mark them once, not stressing yourself by clicking it one after the other. Then having done that, you click on this tick icon, then click on this download icon again, click on it again. Now on this node, this is where you will extract it, this is where you put it. All right, so that you can install it in the PixelLab. Now let me click here, I will click here. So I want to choose a file from here where I can import it. Then let's say for instance I want to import it in this alarm. I will just click on the alarm. Then I haven't done that, I will click here again. I hope you guys are following. Just click it, it has been successfully extracted. Now what we will do next is to go to our PixelLab. All right, so let's head to PixelLab. This is PixelLab. All right, so what is the name of the phones? Okay, this is the phones that we downloaded, right? Craig. All right, that is the name. So we are going to Craig house. All right, so we are going to search these phones in PixelLab now. Then we are going to install it. All right, so go to PixelLab, then click on phones, then click on my phones, then click on this. I hope you guys are following. Click it. Once you click it, then let's go to the alarm. This is where I import the phone. I or just click it. Then we are going to import the phones here now, which is this is the phones. I hope you can see the name here, Crack House. All right, that is it. Then you just tick it like this, then add it, then click on add select. All right, if it is more than one, you can tick all of them, but I'm just using this one for the sake of the tutorial because this is the phone that I downloaded recently. Then click on select. It has been added. Now for us to know if it has been added, we need to search it here. Crack House, right? Cool. That is the phones here. This is the phones. I hope you guys are following. So that's the phones that we just installed now. Okay, now having done that, let me go to the second website. Let me show you the differences. Okay, that is the first website. So let me go to the second website. So we're going to make use of this. This is the second website. So the link to the website will be in the description. All right, so you can download it. For in case you are unable to click it, you can just search this, just search it on your Chrome browser. You can download your phone. So let's say for instance you want to download a phones that you have in your mind, you have the name already offered. You just, all you need to do is to just click here. All right, just click here, then search the name, then you can download. Now for instance, let's say you want to download a particular phones, you can click on download. Okay, I think I have downloaded this one. I have downloaded that one. Sorry, let me move to the next one. Okay, let's say for instance I want to download this. I will just click here, download, then click on open, then just once. All right, now you can see these phones now has more than one file. So you follow the same process. Click on the three dot icon, click on multi select, then click on this good icon, then select all. You see it has mark all. All right, then you click on this good icon, then click on the download icon. Now you choose where you want to import your file, which is this. Then you extract it. That is it. Then you go back to your PixelLab. Then you go to your phones, then click on my phones, then click on this particular one. That is a difference between this and this one. All right, so always take note of that. So like I said, click here, click this particular one, click it, then go to alarm where you kept the when you import the phones. This is the phone that we just sorry, that wasn't it. This is the phone that we just downloaded. So you click on mark, then click on select. All right, then you click OK. The phones automatically added. So let's search for the phones here to ensure that if it has been added. So you check the name here, bestie, right? So all you need to do is to just tap bestie, okay, which is this. These are the phones. All right, why is this one is showing about 4? Because like I said, this one has more than one file. Even that time that before I extract it, it comes more than one file. That is why you are seeing it up to 4 here. So some phones do comes like that. Some comes with one, some comes with the bold one and then the slipped one. All right, so that is how you can actually install a phone from a website to your PixelLab. Please, if you are finding another challenge, as sort of the one that I have shown you in this tutorial, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Alright, thank you for watching and God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.